Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest but the best fettuccine chicken alfredo. Now here are the ingredients that we're going to use for this dish. The first thing we're going to do is season the chicken with salt and pepper. You do not need anything extra. On a large size pan, we're going to start grilling the chicken on medium-high heat until it's fully cooked and until it forms a beautiful golden brown crust. We're going to flip the chicken after about 3 minutes, and after 1 minute we're going to add our butter. This will add some richness to the flavor and also helps with forming the beautiful golden brown crust we're aiming for. And while the bottom part of the chicken is cooking, don't forget to baste the top part. And flip the chicken one more time and also to the sides to make sure it's fully cooked. Now take out the chicken and let it rest until we're done cooking the sauce. And we're going to be using the same pan and the leftover grease to make our sauce. Now before we start making the sauce, we're going to start cooking the fettuccine pasta, and make sure you salt your water, and that is very, very important. And don't be like me and please use a bigger pot. It makes it easier. We won't be cooking the pasta all the way because we want to finish cooking it with the sauce, so take it out about 3 minutes before it's done cooking. Now using the same pan, we'll make our rich, creamy Alfredo sauce. Melt about 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat first. And add chopped garlic and saute until you start seeing a little bit of browning. This is a very fast process, so make sure you don't burn the garlic. Then add 1.5 cup of heavy cream and mix them all together and keep stirring until the mixture starts to thicken up. Now it's time to add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and I used about 2 cups. And keep stirring because you want the sauce to have a very silky texture. Once you start to see the sauce thickening up, it's time to add freshly chopped parsley and grate some nutmeg for an extra nutty flavor. I cannot recommend this enough. Now season with salt and pepper. Be careful with how much salt you add because the Parmesan cheese is already pretty salty. Now bring back the fettuccine and add it to the mixture and let it finish cooking and soak up all the sauce. Mix it in slowly to avoid breaking up the pasta, and keep tasting to make sure it's al dente, or else you'll end up with a mushy pasta that won't be very good. I'm going to sprinkle some more parsley because who doesn't love extra parsley, right? Now I'm going to add the sliced chicken breast to the mix and sprinkle some roasted red pepper flakes for some extra kick and mix them all together. And you're all done. Now it's time to plate, and I like to sprinkle a little more freshly grated Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes to my pasta at all times. And let me tell you, this will definitely be the best fettuccine chicken alfredo you've ever had. I promise you that. So thank you so much for watching yet another video. I hope you subscribe and become a part of our community, and also like, share, comment what you thought of this video. Until next time, bye!